Hey guys, what's up? Pepe Prawns here from the Quadcopter Review. We're here today to do our May 30th giveaway of the TinyHawk Ready to Fly kit. This is a full kit. You're going to have everything you need to fly. You might want to buy extra batteries. That'll be completely up to you. I'm going to remind you, as always, don't forget to like, comment all my videos. And up on the upper right of all my videos, right here, as you can see on this one, you'll have links to all the latest giveaways going on here at the channel, because there's always plenty of things going on. So the first thing we're going to do, if you haven't seen this before, is we go up and we grab the link of this video, and we're going to put it into a random YouTube comment picker. So let's grab the link up here, copy it up, take her on down, paste it into the random comment picker. It dedupes, and we will see how many entries we've got. 400 and something. And then we're just gonna scroll down here and find our little start button, and we smash the start button, and we'll see who's gonna win. Round and round she goes. Let's see who the winner chicken dinner is. It is Jonathan Clark. So Jonathan Clark, as long as I can click through here on you and check out your channel. Let's see. Make sure you're a subscriber to the channel, as I've mentioned. Winning is for subscribers. Subscribers are winners. So let's check out your full subscription list here. And there we are. So once again, Jonathan is the winner, Jonathan Clark here. You are going to be the winner. Now what I need you to do is email me at pepeprons@thequadcopterreview.com so you and I can connect and we can make arrangements. What I'll end up needing is your full address here to me so we can arrange getting this shipped off to you. And as always, guys, as I've mentioned, don't forget that there's always plenty of giveaways going on here at the channel. So if you didn't win this time, there'll be plenty of opportunities for you to win in the future. So I always ask, don't bail out on me and stay subscribed. Plenty of content coming. Just put out a couple HD whoop videos. And, you know, we don't make much off of YouTube, so every subscriber counts here. I think we make less than 50 bucks a month, but it goes toward buying those quads to show you guys and letting you see if it's worth getting. So, as always, guys, as I said, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel for more giveaways, and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter Review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.